My name is Mmanda, a student pursuing Doctor of Medicine at Kilimanjaro Christian Medical College. I am one of the trainers trained at the TOT Training of Trainers program, and I am very overjoyed. The training was enjoyable, it was fun, it was so outgoing, it is so beneficial for us because it's educating us and we are impacting another bigger population. Thus, we are having a bigger population and many people are benefiting from this TOT program. Thank you for this program and you are all welcome. Okay, as you have said, when you write your CV, most of the time you have to attach it with a letter that explains personally what you would like. When you say hobbies, it means something that you enjoy doing in most of your free time when you're not at the education class.
So, Brad, what we needed to write here?
I choose to be a trainer because I want to reach to the youth and impact my knowledge to the different specialties.
My name is Shirima. I am a student here at Kilimanjaro Christian University College pursuing Bachelor in Doctor of Medicine.
Our CV is a marketing document. It is a way to display our qualifications and our qualities, our experiences to others.
After attending the today training of trainers, I'm super excited and I'm happy because I understand the session and I'll be able to teach others. You should end up with a positive note. And I would like to ask someone, can you please say a brief and tell us about the positive note that you could end with it in the cover letter? Thanks.
Hello, I'm Shirima from KCMC. I'm pursuing Doctor of Medicine Year 3. From today training, I'm so super excited to be a coordinator, and I will coordinate many workshops here at the university.
That is working interview, and the purpose is to look specifically the skills they want. Are you suitable? Do you fit for the job? That's the working interview. So you need to be prepared for any kind of interview. That's why Mr. Andrew told you, do not lie about your skills.